unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
SSDs have a smaller environmental impact during their operational lifetime than HDDs, primarily due to their lower power consumption. SSDs, utilizing flash memory, don't have moving parts, which leads to more efficient energy use. However, the manufacturing process of SSDs is more resource-intensive. It involves the use of rare materials and produces more CO2. Conversely, HDDs, though less energy efficient in operation, have a less demanding manufacturing process. Both types contribute to e-waste, but SSDs' longevity can potentially reduce waste over time, making them a slightly greener option.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.